Hey there, sun seekers and adventure lovers. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of Royalton Splash Punta Cana, an autograph collection resort and casino. This tropical paradise is nestled along the stunning Arena Gorda Beach in the Dominican Republic. And let me tell you, it's a place where family fun meets luxury living. So grab your virtual sunscreen, and let's explore this Caribbean gem together. First up, let's talk about where you'll be resting your head after a day of sun-soaked excitement. The Royalton Splash offers a variety of rooms and suites that cater to every type of traveler. From cozy deluxe rooms perfect for couples or small families to spacious junior suites that give you a little extra room to stretch out, there's something for everyone. But if you're looking to really indulge, the Diamond Club Suites are where it's at. These premium rooms come with butler service, exclusive pool access, and oceanfront views that'll make your Instagram followers green with envy. All rooms come decked out with modern amenities like air conditioning, because let's face it, Caribbean heat is no joke. Flat-screen TVs for those rare moments when you're not out exploring, and minibars that are restocked daily. And don't worry about staying connected. Free Wi-Fi is available throughout the resort. The decor is a tasteful blend of contemporary style with Caribbean flair, featuring neutral tones punctuated by pops of vibrant color that reflect the lively tropical surroundings. And the best part? Most rooms come with a balcony or terrace, so you can sip your morning coffee while soaking in those gorgeous garden or pool views. Now, let's talk about something that's close to all our hearts: food. The Royalton Splash doesn't mess around when it comes to dining options. With 7 restaurants to choose from, your taste buds are in for a treat. Craving some Italian cuisine? Head over to the Mediterranean a la carte restaurant for fresh seafood pasta and gourmet dishes that'll transport you straight to the Amalfi Coast. For a taste of local flavor, Under the Sea serves up Caribbean specialties like fresh fish ceviche that'll have you feeling like a true islander. But the culinary journey doesn't stop there. The International Buffet Restaurant is a food lover's paradise, offering breakfast, lunch, and dinner with live cooking stations that'll make your mouth water. And for those days when you just can't bear to leave the pool, there are casual eateries dotted around the water park area serving up snacks and light meals. As the sun sets, the resort's 5 bars come to life, including swim-up bars where you can enjoy a refreshing cocktail without even leaving the pool. And the best part? It's all included in your stay, so you can indulge to your heart's content without worrying about the bill. Speaking of pools, let's dive into the aquatic wonderland that is the Royalton Splash. This place takes pool day to a whole new level. We're talking multiple swimming pools catering to everyone from families with energetic kiddos to adults looking for a peaceful oasis. But the real star of the show is the water park, one of the largest in the Caribbean. With 7 heart-pumping slides and a wave pool that'll make you feel like you're riding the ocean. It's a thrill-seeker's dream come true. For those who prefer their water adventures a little more horizontal, the resort boasts exclusive adults-only pools in the Diamond Club section. Here, you can lounge in peace, cocktail in hand, while the more adventurous guests make a splash in the family-friendly areas. And let's not forget about the beach. Arena Gorda Beach is just steps away from the resort, offering golden sands and crystal-clear waters that are perfect for swimming, sunbathing, or just taking in that breathtaking Caribbean scenery. But the Royalton Splash isn't just about lounging by the pool or beach, although that's certainly an option if that's your style. For those looking to keep active, the resort offers a smorgasbord of activities to keep you entertained. The Royalton Fit Gym is equipped with all the latest cardio machines and weights, so you can keep up with your fitness routine even while on vacation. If you prefer your workouts with a view, why not join one of the instructor-led fitness classes? Nothing beats a beachfront yoga session as the sun rises over the ocean. For those seeking a bit of pampering, the Royal Spa is a haven of relaxation. Indulge in a Swedish massage to work out those travel kinks, or treat yourself to a rejuvenating facial using local ingredients. The spa also offers hydrotherapy sessions, sauna and steam room facilities, and relaxation lounges where you can unwind in pure bliss. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not try one of their signature treatments that blend traditional techniques with Caribbean flair? Now, if you're traveling with little ones, you'll be pleased to know that the Royalton Splash has got you covered. The resort offers a range of activities and facilities designed specifically for kids and teens. The Kids Club runs daily activities that'll keep the young ones entertained for hours, from arts and crafts to mini Olympics. For the teens, there's a dedicated lounge where they can hang out, play video games, and make new friends. And let's not forget the water park. It's basically a kid's paradise with slides and splash pads that'll have them begging to stay just 5 more minutes or hours. But the fun doesn't stop when the sun goes down. The resort comes alive at night with live music performances, shows, and entertainment that'll keep the whole family engaged. From Caribbean-themed nights to international performances, there's always something happening to keep the holiday spirit alive. Now, as amazing as the Royalton Splash is, you might want to venture out and explore the local area. And boy, are you in for a treat. The resort is perfectly positioned to take advantage of some of Punta Cana's best attractions. Just a short drive away, you'll find the Indigenous Eyes Ecological Park, a nature reserve where you can explore lush tropical forests and swim in crystal-clear lagoons. For the adventure seekers, Skate Park offers ecotourism experiences that'll get your adrenaline pumping, from zip lining to cave exploring. If you're in the mood for some retail therapy, the downtown Punta Cana shopping district is just a quick taxi ride away. Here, you can pick up souvenirs, local crafts, and maybe treat yourself to some designer goods. And for those who want to experience more of the Dominican Republic's stunning coastline, Macau Beach is about 10 kilometers south. It's a bit less developed than some of the other beaches in the area, offering a more authentic Caribbean beach experience. So, what's the verdict on the Royalton Splash Punta Cana? Well, if you're looking for a family-friendly resort that combines luxury with fun, you've hit the jackpot. The water park is a major draw, offering endless entertainment for kids, and let's be honest, adults too. The variety of dining options means you'll never get bored with the food, and the all-inclusive nature of the resort takes the stress out of budgeting for meals and drinks. The rooms are comfortable and well-appointed, offering a relaxing retreat after a day of sun and fun. And while the resort caters primarily to families, the Diamond Club options provide a touch of exclusivity for those seeking a more premium experience. However, it's worth noting that if you're looking for a quiet, romantic getaway, this might not be the place for you. The resort can get lively, especially around the water park area. But for many, that energy is part of the charm. What really makes the Royalton Splash stand out is its ability to cater to different types of vacationers within the same resort. Whether you're a family looking for nonstop activities, a couple seeking some relaxation with the option to join in the fun, or a group of friends ready to enjoy the nightlife and casino, there's something for everyone. The resort's Stay at One, Play at Two concept, which allows guests to enjoy facilities at the neighboring Royalton Punta Cana, adds even more value to your stay. It's like getting 2 resorts for the price of one. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.